Hello YouTube. It is Bazooka. Simple exercise to relieve stress in 5 minutes. After several sessions, the parasympathetic system is activated, bringing you into a state of serene peace and relaxation, says the exercise author Pilin Anis. Stress can come unexpectedly or strike when you expect it, for example, on election day or a new job. Regardless of what is stressing you, it is helpful to rely on relaxation techniques such as simple exercises. Breath of joy, why does it relieve stress? Yoga instructor, meditation teacher and wellness leader Pilin Anis recently shared a simple breathing exercise that not only gets the body moving, but also aims to stimulate the nervous system and soothe anxious thoughts. This exercise is called Breath of Joy and goes back to the Kripalu tradition. When we are nervous and stressed, breathing in the chest usually becomes shallow. Going into 3-part breathing, which is a full inhalation by taking a deep breath into the lower abdomen, into the chest and then into the chest, is the ideal way to calm your mind, says Anis. Along with 3-part breathing, exercise requires hand movements that help temporarily stimulate the sympathetic nervous system. A deep breath follows a strong breath to release tension. How to do the breath of joy. Step-by-step instruction. Stand with feet shoulder width apart. Gently bend your knees. Inhale 1/3 of your lungs through your nose. Raise your arms in front of your body, keeping them parallel to your shoulders. Continue inhaling until you reach 2/3 of the volume. Stretch your arms out to the sides, like wings, to shoulder level. Take a full breath. Wave your arms parallel over your head with your palms facing you. Open your mouth and exhale fully, make a ha sound, bend your knees deeply, bend forward and pull your arms back. Just 5 to 8 repetitions of this movement are enough to reduce stress. You can exercise in the morning, afternoon, evening, and even when you wake up in the middle of the night. However, Anis recommends them for a morning start. People with high blood pressure, eye or head injuries should avoid this movement and only focus on breathing work. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.